Looking for a $200,000 investment in exchange for a 10% equity in my company, Freaker USA. So, this is a Freaker. We have over 35 designs. We add characters and personalities to all of them. The Freaker's function is that it has magical fibers in it to make it stretch so they can fit every beverage in the world.
You guys are so muddy.
So you can put it on your morning beer if you wanted to.
Because it was raining today and you were outside.
Alright, and the Freaker will fit every water bottle in the world. That is pretty crazy. Every water bottle. For my last trick, I'm going to put this little tiny Freaker on this huge wine bottle. As you can see, there are no wires attached. There's nothing about the sleeves. Nothing in my beard. Damon, you want to check my beard, make sure? Oh, very good. Alright. Can I go whoop, 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 whoop. Robert, I love you. Love you back. Alright. Without any further ado, I have a little video to show you guys more about it. Hope you enjoy. Here we go.
This is the first of Puppies USA.
Living in a car, traveling, found a new home in Wilmington, North Carolina, invited to a stitching bitch.